Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we're going to be doing a different look in our dip nail series, so stay tuned.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. For this design, I'm going to use some Minty Mauve, and we're going to do a French look. So this is going to be on the tip, and I'm going to put some of that light pink. I'm just going to pour that over the nail bed area like I did here, okay? So I already poured some into this dipping tray, and we do have these on the website, so make sure that you check that out. So I already have 2 coats of clear on, so I'm just going to go in with my base coat all over the nail. And I'm just going to slowly push my thumb into the container, and I'm going to hold it steady. Now I'm going to pour the pink over the nail. And I have a little spot there, so I'm just going to pour this back in here and try to get that area. So I'm going to let this sit for a bit, and I'm going to brush off the excess, and I'm going to repeat those steps. So I brushed off the excess, and this is what it looks like. So in this video, I'm going to show you the second coat. So I'm going to shift this back down, and I need to get this ready. So I'm going to go in with my second layer. I'm going to apply the base all over my nail. And you don't want to flood your cuticles with this. But I'm kind of having a hard time with the camera in my face, but it's okay. I'm gonna file everything afterwards. So I'm just sliding my thumb in, trying to get it in that same position. Now I'm going to pour the pink. I'm gonna let it sit for a bit and then dust it off. And this is what it looks like. So this is the French using the Minty Mauve. So of course I activated, file shaped, activated, and did my top coat. If you guys are wondering about the top coat, make sure you check that video out. You can definitely use a gel top coat or any other kind of top coat that you like. Don't forget to go to our website to grab cuticle oil, the dip powders, the liquids, anything else that you may need. We have it all. So these are all of the nails in the series. If you missed the episode, make sure you go back and catch it. And also make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the future episodes. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do all of these nails, okay? Remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and more. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.